JT and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before anything else, shout out muna tayo. Isang malaking shout out kay Benjamin Enriquez, Jillian Francine Kalimbayan, Rica Mendoza, Lalaine Salvador, Keith Allison Deriquito, Vimife de Guzman, Hans Betacora, Carl Alfred Pedalino, Johanna Espinosa, Alfonso Liabres, Jenler Garcia, Jason San Juan, Saira Orong, Kyle Dominic, and lastly, shout out kay Shanley Kalinga. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So before you should start playing this song, make sure that your ukulele is in the standard tuning, and the standard tuning for soprano and concert ukuleles is G, C, D, A. So the next thing that you should do is you have to be familiar with the chords of the song, and napaka-easy lang ng mga chords natin. So for the first chord, we have the chord of C. Ayan, you can use either of your index finger or your middle finger to play this one. Ayan. First string, third fret. And then for the next chord, we have the chord of G. Ayan, yung parang V-shaped na chord. Index, middle finger, and fourth finger. Ayan. And then for the next chord, we have the chord of E minor. Ayan. Index, middle, fourth finger. And then we also have the chord of D. Index, middle, fourth finger. And also, we have this chord. Di ko alam kung anong pangalan niya, pero pag alam nyo yung pangalan ng chord na to, please do let me know and drop it on the comment section below. But I'm not sure nga. This is C5. Kasi eto, this one is C. Diba? First string, third fret. Pero this one, this chord should be played here on the 5th fret. Ayan, para siyang C, pero dito lang siya sa 5th fret. And katabi niya tong circle na to. Pero tatawagin na lang natin siyang C5 sa tutorial na to. Ayan. C, G, E minor, D, and then C5. So for the strumming pattern, napakadali lang ng strumming pattern natin. And napaka-common din sa mga tutorials ko. It is a down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ayan. So for the strumming, ayan. Chord natin, first chord is C. Try to strum it like that. Then, try natin yung strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, in strumming your ukulele, ito lang yung pinaka-common na ginagawa ko. For the down strums, use the nail of your index finger. Just like that. And then for the up strums, I'm just using the nail of my thumb. Okay? Ganun. So, down, and then up. Down, up. And since the strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up, yung ganito siya. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Ayan, okay? Again. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Slower. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So for the intro, yung mga chords na nagagamitin natin is C5, G, E minor, and D. And then we have to repeat it twice. Pero dun sa original talaga is, di ko alam kung ilang beses nila yun inulit, pero medyo mahaba din yung yung transition ng tawag dito na intro. Pero sa tutorial na to, twice lang natin siyang ulitin. Okay? So, mangyayari dito sa intro, di ba yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Yung first two down strums is dito sa C5. Okay? Down, down. And then for the up, up, is dapat nasa next chord ka na. Sa G. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. So, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Again. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ayan. So, for the first chord, first two down strums. And then for the next chord, yung up, 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 down, up, down, up. Then same thing with E minor and D. So sa E minor, dalawang down strums. And then up, 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 down, up sa D. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, next part, which is the verses of the song, ito lang yung mga chords natin. C. So, di ba kanina sa intro natin, dito natin piniplay yung C. C5. For this one, we have to play the original C na nasa first string, third fret. Okay? Tapos, you also have G, E minor, and then D. Tapos C, G, D, and then G. Yun lang yung sa verses natin. Okay? Umuwi ng tila ba, lahat nagbago na. Ayan. So, kung napapansin nyo, isang buong strumming pattern talaga in each of the chords. Di tulad nung sa intro kanina na first 2 down strum sa first chord lang, and then for the next, yung kasunod na strumming pattern is nasa second chord na. Ayun. So, dito sa verses, isang buong strumming per chord. So, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Tapos, saka ka na lilipat. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ayan. Let's try to sing the verses of the song. Verse 1 muna. 1, 2, 3, go. Umuwi ng tila ba, lahat nagbago na. Nawalan na ng sigla ngayong mga mata. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman, lamig ng gabi. Kahit magdamag na tayong magkatabi. So for the next part of the song, which is the pre-chorus, we only have 2 chords for that part. E minor and then G. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. Okay? So maging ganito yung pre-chorus natin. Bakit ka nag-iba? Meron na ba iba? So for the next part of the song, which is the chorus, so yung mangyayari dito is medyo similar siya sa ginawa natin kanina sa intro, na yung first 2 down strum is sa first chord, and then yung kasunod is sa second chord. Up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ganun. Okay? Pero dito sa part na hahayaan naman kitang sumaya't umalis, sa part na yan, isang buong strumming pattern talaga siya. Hahayaan naman kitang sumaya't umalis. Ayun. Okay? So, sana sinabi mo. And so, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Ayan. So, down, down, tapos up, 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 down, up, down, up. Sana sinabi mo. Tapos, hahayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang may tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kita. Tapos, instrumental. Umalis. Ayan, okay? So, ay mali. Yung sa instrumental pa natin, yung C is, we have to play it on C5. Tulad nung sa intro. C. Umalis. Let's try to sing the chorus again. 1, 2, 3, go. Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo, para di na umasang tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo, hahayaan naman kita umalis. So, for the next part of the song, which is the verse 2, same lang siya sa ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1. Same din yung mga chords. Same yung pattern and all those stuff. And then, after that part, is balik ka naman sa pre-chorus, yung bakit ka nag-iba, ganun. We have 2 chords for that part, E minor, and then G. And then, balik ka na naman sa chorus, same thing. And then, yung chorus natin, after nung last chorus, ulit-ulit na lang siya, guys, na sana, sinabi mo, gano'n na. Ayan. Tapos, ayun lang. Pabalik-balik na lang siya lahat, guys. So, yung tandaan na lang is yung strumming pattern. You have to be familiar with the strumming pattern. Practice niyo yung kamay niyo. And then, also the transition from one chord to another para mabilis din yung, paglipat ng chord. Kasi, most of the newbie, yun yung problema. Yung iba, marunong mag-strumming, pero yung transition from one chord to another, medyo nahihirapan sila. Yung iba naman, walang problema sa pagta-transfer ng chord, pero dito sila nagkaka-problema sa pagsa-strum. So, technique lang sa pagsa-strum, relax nyo lang yung kamay nyo, and then just feel the rhythm of the music. And then, ayun, parang, huwag nyo siyang lagyan ng masyadong force. Depende naman yung sa song, pero i-relax nyo lang talaga yung kamay nyo para feel nyo din yung kanta. So, ayun lang. Ito lang yung parang ginagalaw mo. Hindi nyo siya ganun-ganon. Parang ganun lang. And then, ano ba? Yun lang naman. And then, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa mga greetings nyo, sa pagsuporta nyo. And, ilang subscribers na ba tayo? Parang 64, 65. And then, ayun, 65K, 64K. And di ko yun maabot without you guys. Ilan lang yung subscribers ko. Parang bilang lang yung subscribers ko nung nakaraang Christmas. And then, ngayon, sobrang blessed ako na eto na tayo ngayon. And then, ayun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And don't forget to subscribe kung hindi ka man nakasubscribe. Bye-bye!
Hey guys, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.